Hi friends, I'm Nitish Balal, head coach and founder of CrossFit Vyom, and we are back with another Vyom Pump shoulder session. So, with the shoulder session for today, all you need is going to be either a bag that you can hold or a pair of dumbbells. Even if you don't have that, दो water bottles से भी काम चल जाएगा. So we're going to do 6 movements in total today. The first one is going to be an overhead hold. The second one is going to be a lateral raise hold. The third one is going to be a shrug hold. The fourth one is going to be a front raise hold. The fifth one is going to be a bent over lateral raise hold. And the last one is going to be our shoulder taps. So all these are going to be again isometric holds except for the shoulder tap. And we are going to do it in the form of 30 seconds of work, 30 seconds of rest, 5 to 6 sets, and it should be a kick-ass shoulder workout. So let's get started. ओके तो हमारा पहला मूवमेंट है ओवरहेड होल्ड. तो उसके लिए आपको या तो 2 वाटर बॉटल्स या तो 2 डंबल्स या फिर एक बैग कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हैं. So how you're going to do it is you're going to hold both of these. You're going to press all the way up and just hold here for 30 seconds. Okay? ये बाहर नहीं होना चाहिए, बहुत ज़्यादा पास नहीं होना चाहिए, गर्दन से लटका हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए. You have to keep them relaxed. You should be able to be demonstrating clearly that your neck is visible to someone standing in front of you. And if I look at it from the side, I don't want the chest to pop out like that. Your chest has to be relaxed and you keep pressing it up. Hold it for 30 seconds. That's going to be your first movement. That's your overhead hold. Now, the second movement is going to be your dumbbell lateral raise hold. So, we've all done dumbbell lateral raises. Again, if you have dumbbells, use dumbbells. If you don't have, again, 2 water bottles will do. How do you do it? Hold on to it. So first hold the dumbbells, hold the water bottles in front of your thighs, not outside, not completely forward, somewhere at a 45-degree angle. From there, maintain a slight bend in the elbows. It shouldn't be completely straight like that. Maintain a slight bend in the elbows. Take them up to a point where your arms are parallel to the floor. And hold here for 30 seconds. So if I have to show it to you from the side, so it's going to be my bottles are in the front. They are not exactly outside here. So slight bend in the elbows, but then my arms are parallel to the floor. This is where I'm going to hold for 30 seconds. That's my second movement. The third movement is going to be a dumbbell shrug hold. So how am I going to do that? I'm going to hold the dumbbells or water bottles just to my side. From here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just shrug. What do I mean by shrug? अपने शोल्डर से कान को टच करने का ट्राई करना है. I'm just going to hold here for 30 seconds. That's going to be my third movement, the shrug hold, and then relax. The fourth movement again is another hold. How do you do this? It's as simple as like it was a dumbbell lateral side raise. You're going to do the same thing in the front. You're going to hold the dumbbells in front of your thighs. Keep a slight bend in your elbows. Raise the dumbbell bottles up and hold it in front of your shoulders. Arms should be parallel to the floor. Hold it for 30 seconds. And then that's going to be your fourth movement. Okay, now for the fifth movement, it's going to be a bent over dumbbell lateral raise hold. So for that, what we're going to do is like we always do in the deadlift position. So you're going to push your hips back, get both the dumbbells to the front, keep a slight bend in the knees. Join both the dumbbells or water bottles in front of your knees. From there, maintaining a slight bend in your elbows, you're going to raise your arms up. Again, I don't want the neck to pop out like that. Neck has to be relaxed. And again, arms parallel to the floor. Slight bend in your elbows. And you're going to hold this for 30 seconds. If you're going to look at it from the side, how does it look? I'm going to push my hips back, bend my knees slightly. I'm going to take my arms up with slight bend in my elbows, parallel to the floor. Hold for 30 seconds. And then slowly rest and relax. Okay, so the next movement is going to be shoulder taps. Shoulder tap is as simple as it could be. You're going to keep your hands down on the floor and get into the push-up position, which is nothing but the palm plank as well. From here, you're going to slowly take your right arm, touch the left shoulder and down. Take your left arm, touch the right shoulder and down. You're going to keep repeating this for 30 seconds. माइंड यू कुछ चीज़ें जो आपको ध्यान देना है जब आप ये मूवमेंट कर रहे होंगे तो आपको ये ध्यान रखना है कि शोल्डर्स ठीक पाम के ऊपर है, ना आगे ना पीछे। यू डोंट वांट टू बी होल्डिंग लाइक दिस, ये नहीं होना चाहिए आपका पोजीशन। आपका पोजीशन पाम ठीक शोल्डर के नीचे होना चाहिए। और आप इसको करने के लिए जल्दी जल्दी में स्टेबिलिटी ना खो दे। सो यू डोंट वांट टू बी डूइंग इट लाइक दिस, ये नहीं करना है। यू वांट टू कीप इट एज कंट्रोल्ड एंड एज स्टेबल एज पॉसिबल, स्लो and steady. So that's your shoulder taps. So these are the 6 movements that you're going to use for today's Vyom Pump shoulder session. Number 1 is going to be your overhead hold. Number 2 is going to be your lateral raise hold. Number 3 is going to be your shrug hold. Number 4 is going to be your front raise hold. Number 5 is going to be your bent over raise hold. And the last one is going to be your shoulder taps. 30 seconds work, 30 seconds rest. Every movement, that's going to be a total of 6 minutes. Rest 1 minute after that. Do it for about 5 to 6 rounds and you should have a great shoulder pump session. Keep watching these videos if you are interested in more such workouts that you can do from the comfort of your home. We are trying to get in as many innovative ideas to get a good workout done for all those people who don't have access to equipment. अगर आपको ये वीडियोस अच्छे लग रहे हैं तो प्लीज़ इन्हें लाइक कीजिए। अगर आप कुछ इनके ऊपर कहना है या आप चाहते हैं कि हम किसी और वीडियो के साथ आएँ, कुछ और वर्कआउट्स बनाएं, तो आप प्लीज़ इस पर कमेंट कीजिए। अगर आपको अच्छा लग रहा है, आपको लगता है कि ये काम आ सकता है किसी के, तो प्लीज़ उनके साथ शेयर कीजिए। एंड अंटिल देन गाइस, कीप एक्सरसाइजिंग, स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, स्टे फिट एंड स्टे हैप्पी। चीयर्स।